Hello guys, welcome to the Techno Dudes. Here in this video we will discuss about the sound sensor. And our main agenda is what is sound sensor, about LM393 module, pin configuration, working principle, circuit diagram, working and its applications. So first of all, what is sound sensor? The sound sensor is one type of module used to notice the sound. Generally, this module is used to detect the intensity of sound. The application of this module mainly includes with security as well as monitoring. The accuracy of these sensor can be changed for the ease of for the users. This sensor employs a microphone to provide input to buffer, peak detector and an amplifier. This sensor notices a sound and processes an output voltage signal to a microcontroller. After that it executes it and required processing. This sensor is capable to determine noise levels within decibels at 3 kHz to 6 kHz frequency because human ear is sensitive, so it can hear only 20 decibel to 20 kHz frequencies. In smartphones, there is an Android application, namely decibel meter, used to measure the sound level. So about LM393 module. Sound detection sensor module detects the intensity of sound where the sound is detected via a microphone and fed into an LM393 op-amp. It comprises an onboard potentiometer to adjust the set point for the sound level. A sound sensor is a simple device that detects the sound. It is simply put a microphone with some processing circuit. Using a sound sensor, you can measure the intensity of sound from different sources like knocks, claps, loud voices, and even in the doorbell, we can also use the sound sensor. So, pin configuration of the LM393 module. This is the LM393 module. Here in this, pin 1 consists of VCC, which is 3.3 volt DC to 5 volt DC, and pin 2 is ground, which can balance the VCC, and DO, which means digital output pin. So, working principle. The working principle of this sensor is related to human ears because human eye includes a diaphragm, and the main function of this diaphragm is it uses the vibration and changes into signal, whereas in this sensor it uses a microphone, and the main function of this is it uses the vibration and changes into current, otherwise voltage. Generally it includes a diaphragm which is designed to with magnets that are twisted with a metal wire. When some sound signals hit the diaphragm, then the magnets within the sensor vibrates and simultaneously current can be stimulated from the coils. So this is the circuit diagram of interfacing of the sounds module sensor with Arduino. So in this, the 5 volt pin is connected to the VCC, ground pin is connected to the ground, and the output pin is connected to the digital output signal in the Arduino pin. So, working. Sound detection sensor works similarly to our ears, having diaphragm, which converts the vibration into signals. However, what's different is that a sound sensor consists of an inbuilt capacitive microphone, peak detector, and amplifier. LM386 or LM393. In this, we can use LM393 module that is highly sensitive to sound. And with these components, it allows the sensors to work. Sound waves propagate through air molecules. The sound waves cause the diaphragm in the microphone to vibrate, resulting in the capacitive changes. And these capacitive changes is then amplified and digitalized for the processing of the sound. Because in this module, the only digital pin is available, not the analog pin. So here in this, we can only obtain the digital output. So our application security system for office or home, SPY circuit, home automation, robotics, smartphones, ambient sound recognition, audio amplifier sound level recognition not capable to obtain precise decibel values. For code, go through the link and given in the description. So thank